I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there are hundreds of birds in this tree. If you listen, you can hear them. And there are birds flying in and out of this thing like crazy. It's like a bird mecca of some sort. There they go, there's more. I wish there was a way to like startle them so that they would all fly out all at once. There's got to be hundreds. As I came out of the Dunkin' Donuts, you could hear it. It was so loud that it caught my attention. If you look closely, you can see that there are birds like flying in and out, constantly flying in and out of this thing. I hope it's captured. I can't tell if it's captured.